Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is fast emerging as a big global player in the defence sector and the capabilities of its security forces are constantly rising. The 33rd Conference of World Organization for Animal Health, or the WOAH Regional Commission for Asia and Pacific, has kick-started in New Delhi today. The Indian Air Force is all set for its participation in the Dubai Air Show slated from November 13 to 17, 2023. Indigenously made naval ship the INS Sumedha is on a goodwill visit to Namibia's Walvis Bay from November 10th to the 13th. In the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, India thrashed the Netherlands by 160 runs at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru last night to register their longest winning streak in World Cup history.